Happy 1 month birthday to Gavin. You are a big deal. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. If you smile for me, I'll be so happy. What do you say? Want to give a camera a little smile? A little falling asleep smile? Thank you. I appreciate the little half smile. That's a good start. You just got fed. You're so happy, clean, and filled up, content, ready to make a good impression on your 1 month birthday. There's my smile. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Mama loves your smiles. One more? Maybe? Alright. I'll stop staring at you while you sleep. Thanks for the smiles. Oh, a goodbye smile. On your 1 month birthday. Happy birthday.